Hello, I would like to present today the wireless door Chime, what I got from my friend, and he asked me to make a review on that. So it's made by company 1byone, and the name of this product is Easy Chime. And that package with that SKU 000QH0761, I got two receivers and one transmitter. You will have a battery inside of the package. You will get a user manual, one double-sided adhesive, and product warranty card. So the company promises 30-day refund and 1 year manufacturer warranty on all products. Okay, and from base what I see, the product is very well made. The plastic is thick and the assembly is good. You can see it's high quality product, and yes, apparently it works wirelessly, and you should connect it to the outlet 110 volts like that. One of the receiver I already set, so you just press here and it should sound like that. And I will disconnect it. It sounds pretty loud, and so I put the scotch tape for the moment of presentation because it's really loud. Okay, I will try now to connect to pair this receiver to the transmitter. So it has 4 buttons on the side. One of them is for learning button, one mode button, melody selector button, and volume. To pair them together, I will press and hold for around 5 seconds. Yes, that's it. So let's check if it works. You can hear it, it's very loud. So volume, you have 3 sets, like low, medium and high. This is the lowest. This is medium, this is low, and now this is high. So next I will show you how to select rings and melodies. I will press and hold the set button for 30 seconds. LED will flash once. I release twice or and now we can choose melodies. Okay, let's choose that one. To record this, I should press and hold the set button for 5 seconds. Let's see. Let's check. You see? Let's choose another melody. So I press and hold 30 seconds until... Okay, let's try it again. Hold for 30 seconds until LED will flash. Now I choose melodies, it's a second button here. Okay, let's choose that one. So press and hold set button for 5 seconds. That's it. You see? So here it shows what the device has what 4 buttons. You will get the battery for your transmitter, and to open it you have here the small hole. You can use a flat screwdriver to put the battery inside, and you can fix this transmitter outside of your house on your door using the double-sided adhesive what is included in the package. This is it basically, so please press on like if you like my video. That's it, thank you for watching.